Hey everybody, today I'm checking out this set of skiing gloves that I received for event purposes. I think that they are really nice because they can withstand extreme temperatures when you are skiing, making them really nice option. They can clip together with this little knob right here, and we have all the information and about these ones right here. All the materials, they feel of an amazing quality, and well, let's just test them out. Okay, this is the biggest that it can get. And we just press this. Okay. You can adjust this side. So that it encloses your wrist perfectly. And in here we have also this little tab that we can close. So it's really well protected. Okay, and with the other one. Oh, we even got some wrist straps in case that we wanna take them off or anything like that. I think that's a nice option. And they are ready. They feel really warm, and it has some hardened protective plate right here, so in any case that you fall or anything like that, you won't sprain or anything like that. I think that they are really nice. They are quite warm. I think that that's a nice touch. And in the fingertip and in the thumbs, you got some insulated pieces that we can touch our cell phone while we are skiing and we are outdoors. And I think that it's really nice. It won't come with this little pouch right here, so we can store anything that we need, which I think that it's really nice. And you can just not use them if you're gonna go skiing. You can use them if you're gonna go take a walk outdoors and it's really cold. You can use them. I think that it's a nice option because even if you fall or anything like that, with the supports in the hand, I think that it's really nice, so you can get sprained or anything like that. And it goes upon the wrist, which I think that it's really nice. And even in the pocket that I've mentioned that it's under it, it's where we can take it out and place it in case that we want to take it out for any kind of occasion, which I think that it's really nice. In the case that we don't want to use the wrist straps, it's really easy to take them off. Just have to pull this little tab right here and pass them through it, which I think that it's nice. I'll be just leaving them. I think they are a nice addition because, as I've said, in case that you are indoors or gonna use your hands more accurately for something in a bit, you can just place them on and you can place your gloves back up really easy. Inside, they use 3M Thinsulate C40 insulation and polyester fill to trap heat efficiently, maintaining warmth even minus 30 degrees Celsius temperatures. And the slim fit palm design minimizes bulk while keeping your grip secure, perfect for holding any kind of balls, handles, or any kind of tools. And with its multi-layer, waterproof membrane and PU-coated outer shell, whether it's rain, sleet, or snow, your hand's gonna stay really dry, warm, and ready. And every detail is made for convenience and performance. The sensitive touch screen fingertips keeps you connected, the drawstring cuffs block out snow, the anti-loss wrist straps keep your gloves secure, and the zippered back pocket stores cards or keys with ease. So whether you're out in the wild doing some extreme outdoor sport, or if you just want a set of really comfortable and isolated gloves, I think that these ones are a real nice pair. As I've said, you can detach the support parts on the wrist if you want them to be a little bit more comfortable if you ain't gonna use it, which I think that it's great. And overall, I really like them and I will really recommend them. See you guys.